love the show.
Prefect. You wear name brands and I make my own clothing. I hang out with an apple who loves self-loathing. I hate myself. Pancake on my face makes me extra happy. I like shampoo bottles that sit on my lappy. Cause it's my show, you can't tell me what to do. When life hands me lemons, I make beef stew. So yo, I gotta go, it's time for me to rock it. I put bologna in my left pocket, smear some cream cheese in my gold locket. Cause it's my show, I'm Andy Milonakis. It's my show, I'm
What the heck? Turn the bed. What was that? Oh God, what was that? Whoa! Look at that one missed me. Idiot. Oh, dude, a Nintendo Wii! Dude, this is the coolest thing. Why do we even bother to eat these things? Use it, it's good. Oh, God, what was that good problem? Oh, God. What the heck? Every time I go up the stairs, I go, haha, my Wii now. Told you I'd get it back. Woo! My Wii! Oh, yeah. What was that? It was me. Defend yourself. Okay, what are you going to do with that? Fist. Ugh! Told you, this is my Wii. Ugh! 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 Peace. Ah! This video is from Ninja787. Please watch his other videos.
Other videos,
Thank
watch
you.
them now. Into my video.